Hello and welcome viewers. Today we're going to make what I like to call Salt Daddy steak strips. So there's really not much to this and it tastes delicious. It's a bit sticky. You've got a bit of salty and sweet flavor in there as well. So your base of the sauce is basically just Jimmy's special steakhouse sauce. It's very popular in South Africa, but you can replace that with something like a teriyaki or any type of meat marinade really. I've used cheap stir-fry cuts and 250 milliliters of Jimmy's Steakhouse sauce and just marinated it for about 4 hours in the fridge. And then I've also added some sugar and standard sweet chutney. You don't have to add the chutney. I do think it adds a bit more flavor and depth to it. The thing I'd like to do is just add a bit of olive oil. Doesn't have to be a lot, just to keep the contents from not sticking. Lucky cat. That is the most important part of this cook. So let's take some of this and throw it in. So I'm not going to throw in all the sauce, right? I'm just going to throw in enough, and listen to that. That's already beautiful, right? Fry it up nicely. Never drop it in actually, dropping it in like that, it's gonna hurt. So we're gonna keep this sauce on the side. We'll keep the sauce on the side, the marinated sauce. We're gonna throw it in a bit. It's just a bit of course Himalayan salt, parsley and black pepper that was left over from my bone marrow experiment. Let's call it an experiment. So I'm just going to throw that in. There we go. This whole thing should take about 7-8 minutes. Maybe a bit less. So I'm just lightly stirring it. You're going to see the meat brown quite quickly, but you don't want it raw. You don't, with stir-fry beef like this, you want it cooked. You don't want it medium rare even. It's not a nice kind of meat. It's leftover meat. So you really do not want it to be undercooked at all. I would rather take a bit of overcooking than undercooking with this type of meat. Now I'm going to add in a bit of additional sauce here and let it simmer. I'm going to add more salt. This salt, it's very, very nice. I have another one, don't worry. There we go, that's definitely enough, and I've had my exercise for the day. So, a bit of cayenne pepper, not too much, half a teaspoon is almost too much already. So I'm going to add a little special ingredient here. I've got this bone marrow that I made earlier, and I'm going to just dump a bit of bone marrow fat in here, just for good measure. It's going to melt quickly and easily. Just going to, hands up. I wash my hands. I mean, I definitely have to after coming home from your mom, right? Okay, so the sauce has turned a bit darker, adequately reduced. Okay, so now, easy peasy, we just transfer it to a bowl. I'm not sure if you can see this, but this is a one-take thing, so if you can't see this, I fucked up. Now, while it's still hot, it has to still be hot, we're going to take some sesame seeds, white sesame seeds. I do not want any black sesame seeds here because it's not going to work well with the sauce, right? You're not going to see black sesame seeds as well as you would white sesame seeds. That's it. It's done. The taste test. So blow on it until it gets cold. Okay, so nice. You can smell it. It's gonna have like a light aroma. Very soft. Just putting in the pot. That's what you want. The sauce is still thickening a bit. Eat with your hands. I do not care. So that's going to be the end of our video. This is my salty steak strips. Salt Daddy's salt steak strips are done. And it is good. You can add something like a low sodium salt instead of the Himalayan coarse salt. You can substitute olive oil with peanut oil or avocado oil if you're really pretentious, you know. But all in all, just have fun with it. It takes about, I would say, 10 minutes. And it's tasty. You can have this with rice and you'll be happy. You can add some green peppers, red peppers, anything into the mix if you want to. I did not. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's going to help the channel grow so I can do this more. You can see more of this, me eating tasty food that you still have to make. So until next time.